Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming the essentials: what port your iPhone uses and which input your monitor accepts. Once done, attach the correct adapter or a USB-C to HDMI cable to the phone. Plug HDMI into the monitor. If using AirPlay, make sure the monitor or TV is AirPlay 2 capable or that Apple TV is on the same Wi-Fi. Make sure the monitor is powered and set to the right input. This starts the actual signal path rather than guessing connections. You now finalize the middle steps that make the picture appear. With the cable connected, select the monitor's HDMI input and ensure any powered adapter has a USB power source. This prevents intermittent dropouts. For wireless, open Control Center and tap screen mirroring, then pick your Apple TV or AirPlay-capable device. Wait for the connection indicator. If wired, play video in an app to confirm resolution and orientation. Make sure to adjust brightness and volume on the monitor. Some settings don't transfer automatically. You complete the setup by fine-tuning display and audio options. Rotate the phone, set aspect ratio on the monitor, and choose the correct audio output. Once satisfied, stop screen mirroring in Control Center or unplug the adapter to disconnect cleanly. If nothing appears, check the single key troubleshooting step. Verify physical connections and adapter power first, then restart the iPhone and monitor. Make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi for AirPlay, and that iOS and monitor firmware are up to date.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.